I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your YouTube Premium or for renewal, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the YouTube website on your computer. This is where you'll manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the YouTube Premium subscription. If you're not logged in, you will be able to access the subscription settings. Step 3. Access settings. On the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Paid Memberships. On the website, click on your profile picture and choose Purchases and Memberships. Step 4. Manage Membership. In the Paid Memberships section, find YouTube Premium and click on Manage Membership. This will take you to the options for your subscription. Step 5. Cancel Membership. Select Cancel Membership and follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Be aware that if you cancel close to your billing date, you might still have access until the end of the billing cycle. Remember, once you cancel, you won't be charged again, but you will lose access to premium features at the end of your billing period. Good luck and enjoy your day.